It's a great deal, a great deal. What's the catch with a refurbished computer? Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the 2 terabyte 16 gig refurbished computer in a bundle. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at that. They gave us a little 802 USB wireless. That's awesome. Now, it did say in the listing, and I did show you a screenshot of that in the beginning video. If not, go back and watch it. Maybe I'll just put it again here. The monitors that come with these are used. May exhibit light little scratches. Well, I'm not going to use the monitor. I'm going to save it as a backup because I do have a 24-inch monitor. This thing's only 19 inches, so 19 inches to me, in my old age, would be a little bit of an eye struggle, but looks like it's in a really decent shape, so let's get that aside and dig into the box. Okay, it looks like we got the computer monitor cable, the computer cable. Must be another computer cable, maybe for the monitor. Set those aside. This must be the keyboard, if I would imagine. The size of a keyboard box. Set that aside for a second. Oh, look at that big tower. Wow, that thing's huge. I didn't expect it to be that big. Huh. Might have to rearrange my desk for this thing. Let me pause the camera and get that thing out of there. Okay, so this thing is big. I guess they really didn't give me any specs on how big it was. Looks like we do have a DVD rewritable. That's awesome. Power switch on and off. Headphone mic. I don't know what the difference is. SS. And that is. Maybe that's USB 3.0? I don't know. USB 2.0. Got the Dell logo. Let me flip it around and see if we can look at the back. Okay, we do have the accessory ports. It's like headphone and mic jack again. The output. More USBs. Those look almost like FireWires. HDMIs maybe? Looks like more USB under our RJ45 connector. Mouse and keyboard. Of course, the power. Looks like there's a light. And a fan. It says Windows 8, but this is Windows 11 Pro, I believe. It's quad core though, I do know that. Okay, so I got out up here on my desk with a mini tower. This thing is huge. I got enough room from there if I move my monitor and all my junk to the far left. Look at the back, I got the USB cable and everything else, using all my older stuff. Anyways, the computer came up with something, so let's go see what it says. Okay, so it wants to know my home location, US... date of time. Let me change a couple settings. I'll be right back. It just told me there was a problem. It's going to restart, getting things ready for you. Hopefully I don't get a dead computer. It's restarting there. Getting critical updates. I got it plugged into the internet. Let me shut the camera off and we'll be back as soon as this is done. I'll give you an estimated time frame how long it took. It took about maybe 3 or 4 minutes while it's powering up to even get to this thing. So anyways, we'll be back. Okay, while that's going booting up, let's look. Okay, so we got an optical mouse. Let's say a brand name. 3D optical mouse. No name, brand name. That's okay. Of course, the USB adapter. Not going to use that, so I'll just save that for backup. Got it plugged into the Ethernet, the RJ45 cable. Let me stop the camera while I open up the flaps on this damn box. Can't do it one-handed. Okay, so that's not a bad looking keyboard. Kind of skinny. Kind of like the one I already have. You've seen the video of the Surf on, and that's a USB as well. Sorry. So, anyways, we'll save that as backup. Can never hurt to have backups because things break, things fail, and we got backups. And of course, we'll put these cables in the box. We'll seal that box up. Put that in the closet because reusing the cables that came with my other computer, but hey, never hurts to have spares. Okay, I got off that setup screen. It's in the Dell thing, so... Okay, what the heck's going on here? It's back to where I was before. Set next. Why did my PC restart? The PC uses Wi-Fi, so it looks like I gotta... No. If this PC does not use Wi-Fi, insert a network cable to the wired network connection. Yeah, I already did that. Okay, kept going through the startup thing. Had me set my region, had me set my language, had me set my keyboard, so I tried to shut it off and turn it back on here. It was doing some kind of disk scan, so I don't know if this computer got dropped somewhere in transit or wasn't set up properly, but preparing automatic repair. Son of a beach, might have to send this one back. Hopefully it's able to get running and stays running. What bad. If it isn't for bad luck, I'd have no luck, I tell you, man. Well, here we are, 45 minutes later. You've seen where it did a disk cleanup, disk defrag, whatever, disk recovery, trying to recover something, and this is where it does. This is where it goes, and I gotta send the damn thing back. So I guess we'll end this video here. Can't recommend this computer to you. Everyone be safe, 7-3. Please like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Catch you next video.